So I just picked Javi up from school. He's in my mom's car though, so you won't see him now. And I'm going to see if any of my cats come out. All their water is gone from this morning. And their food that I left them. So, let's see if any come. I'll also show you guys the inside of this place. They look freaking disgusting. It's so sad, to be honest. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's an ant. I don't like ants. This food comes out so much easier. Come here, kitty kitties. Every time that I'm not here by myself, sometimes they come out, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I don't know. We shall see. Just kind of chop this food up. There goes my mom. If I'm not here, she normally is. One of us.
Is any of them out?
No, I don't see any today. This time, at least.
Oh, there's the mama. Yeah, she's got to be up there.
Hi, baby. Let's see if y'all can see her. Hold on.
Hi, is this a mama? Does you want a drink? Oh, look at that. Pool's empty again.
There she is.
Hi, mama. Hi, baby. I'm so thirsty.
I did just fill that this morning, but they drank it pretty quick. She might not come down. It's not by myself, but let's see. Hi, mama girl. What are you doing? Are you gonna come down and eat? You hungry? Come on. Come on, come on. Show you guys how nasty this barn is that they live in. It's pretty gross. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the whole thing from here. It's pretty nasty. It's filled with tons of shit. It's just tons and tons of stuff. They jump out this little glass part sometimes when I'm feeding them. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty nasty. It's all boarded up. There's a couple abandoned houses back there. But I always try to at least get the cats to come out, hear me. Let's see. We got this. This is my mom, guys, back there. Talking to my favorite mama kitty. Trying to get her to come down. She does what she wants. If you come back, she'll jump down.
I know, I was just trying to see.
Look at her look at you up there like,
Here's your babies. Come on. Baby's got to be up there somewhere.
I think they're up on the top and that through that window is where she comes out, this little one in the back. I wonder if I could even get up some and see. She's going right in that window too. I don't trust the roof up there.
I know.
Yep, she went right in and jumped down, so now she'll probably come from the bottom.
But
I was just looking at my cat. Say hi to my YouTube. She's probably gonna come down. No, you can't go up. The roof is all messed up.
If you go around, there's a door and you can see in there. But I bet if we took a ladder and went on that side, we could
That
probably-
roof is really messed up.
Yeah, but we could at least probably see
Peek in.
inside. Yeah. I should have. I bet that's in there to see it.
None of them but her came out. She'll probably come out as soon as we leave. But one of these days I'll go in and open that door like we did last time. It's really disgusting in there. It's kind of sad. Every time somebody comes with me though, the cats they don't come out. They stay away. They love my vibe. They know that I'm just... They're calling her. She's still talking. She knows I'm not here by myself. She said, oh, you brought visitors. I like it quiet. I like your vibe, lady. But yeah, there's, and even in this like red house over there, you can't see, there's so many cats in a broken window down there. The whole basement is like flooded with cats. It does. Hi, mamas. Come on, come get some food. Yeah, I'm thinking our cats are up top in there.
Oh yeah.
What are you on the call?
So next time, that's gonna be our thing we gotta do is sneak in the house. Javi's got the water bottle. Gotta go home and fill that back up. We're gonna sneak in the house and take a video of the inside.